Hi everyone, I am Aslamani from Chennai, Namma Ooru, Tamil Nadu. The foundation over here, it's the best. I get the detailing foundation knowledge, everything is good over here, and the peoples are over here, Sir, Ankush sir, everybody is very down to earth.
When I come here, I got to sit in the training for 5 days. Now I understood and learned many things from here. This detailing has really been a very, it gives me so much knowledge about detailing, and I learned the theory, I learned the chemicals, and I learned these tools, what are the different types of tools and what are the different types of chemicals. I learned even the scientific formula of the chemicals also coming here, and which tools and which chemicals suits about this detailing.
The best thing I found here that some of my colleagues were in my batchmate. They already did doing the business of detailing, and he already did ceramic coating of many cars. But he also know the exact way. Whether it's compounding, when to do it, how to do it. He also share his experience to me. So there are so many people are doing that business, but they don't know how to do it precisely and professionally. So there is a big difference of doing the thing and knowing the thing how to do it.
I strongly recommend, that is what I told, I strongly recommend everybody should come over here without training, who are all doing the detailing. They should come here and know the basics. They should be strong, and they have to be strong with the customer. They have to be strong what they are doing over here. You will get what are and all doubts and what is your question marks, everything will be sorted out over here. Everybody, sirs and the technical supports, everybody is down to earth. You will get all the supports, you will get all the requirements over here. Please come, and I strongly recommend Autofresh Detailing Academy, and this is what their slogan, learn every detail. You will get all the details. Detailers should be detailedly known everything. That is my strong recommendation. Should come.
I strongly recommend it to everyone. If you want to learn detailing, so I suggested you all, the Autofresh is the best one in the India, because no other academy can also give this. I don't know exactly, but this can give you much